Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video today we are going to learn how to delete Instagram account on mobile apps. So let's start with the video. So guys, here I am on my Android phone. So let me open first Instagram application. So guys, this process same for Android user as well as iPhone user. So in order to delete your Instagram account in mobile app, you have to follow some steps. That first you have to click on your profile photo here. Now go to this three line option, tab on settings. In setting you will see the option called follows and notification privacy security ads account. So here you have to find out helps and tap on it. In helps you will see the four option. Out of these you have to tab on help center. Just tap on it. In help center, when you tap on help center, it will bring you the next page, which is help center. So this is guys your main process that you need to follow carefully. So guys, before we go ahead, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so now you have to click on this three line option, and now go to the manage account. In manage account you will find the delete your account option. Just tap on it, and now just here you will see the three options. You can temporarily disable your account, you can delete your account, or you can also access your or download your data. So in this video I'm going to show you delete account. So tap on second option, and here you have to find the link called delete account. Just scroll down and you can see the option. Just tap on it. Here you have to choose reason why you want to delete, and here you can check recheck your username of your account. Just re-enter your password. You have to enter your password here, current password. Then you can delete on, click on delete. So this is your account name. Okay, so your account will be delete, your account will be hidden until the 1 month by 30 days, and after 30 days it will be delete. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe.